Alright, so I noticed my tire was losing air pressure, and I thought it was because inside here there was a little rubber gasket that's just falling out. I don't know where that little piece came from, because it's not really part of the, I don't know if you can see that, there's a rubber piece in there. I'm just gonna leave it in there because it's kind of hard to get it out. I'm gonna have to use like a needle or something to poke it out, and I thought it was that, so I was scheduling a thing to see if they could replace the valve stem or something, or the valve core, and they told me they don't do the valve core, they would replace the entire tire pressure monitoring system. But then I looked around the tire and I noticed this. There's a screw right there. So that thing is what's causing the leak. It's in a nice really thick area, so it should be easy to patch. I called a few places, and apparently America's Tire will do that for free. It's not really an advertisement for them, but I called a few places, and I think most places either won't do it or yeah. But anyways, so I'm gonna bring it there. It loses pressure like super slowly, I think because it's in such a thick spot. It's been like, it takes like probably 3-4 days for it to even lose 1 psi, so not really too big of a deal. But yeah, I'm gonna probably take it to get fixed today, and we'll see how that goes. All right, anyways, that's it. See you guys later. Bye.